Analysts have said backward caste groups of Bangladesh are now depriving due to abolition of quota system. According to Bangladesh Public Service Commission, PSC 40, 41, 43, 92 candidates from minority ethnic groups passed oral examination in these three BCS. However, due to lack of quota, only 4 people got job based on merit. Earlier on 2018, government cancelled quota in the first and second grade of government jobs. Owing to the abolition of quota, the people of backward caste groups are suffering such deprivation. Analysts say where the constitution has said to give a special privilege to the backward ethnic groups, meanwhile, minority students have demanded that their issues should be considered if quota system is revised.
নগদের কাছে সব গ্রাহকই প্রিয়, তাই তো সারা দেশে ক্যাশ আউট চার্জ সবচেয়ে কম।